Welcome back to another video, everybody. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Spec-D has finally done it. They have made headlights for the G37. Took them long enough, but you already know, we copped them. They were supposed to come in tomorrow, but they came in today, which is even better. I gotta go pick up some headlights because these Alpha X ones that I have right here are full LED plug and play, so I cannot take out the internals of those and put them on the new ones, because how Spec-D is you take out your old headlights and put them in the new ones. If you missed my last video, we put a 350Z tomei on my G37 along with my PPE long tube headers, and it sounds insane. Only downside is that I did it out of my garage, and with jacks and jack stands, it wasn't the easiest to position it the right way that it needs to be. After a week of running the tomei, first of all, it's already burnt. Second of all, we took an L. As you can see, there's a hole. So we're about to go get that fixed. I'm gonna go to my guy, Casey. He does titanium welding here in Houston. Before I get on my way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, above_Hunter. I try to post daily content of my G37 on there. We have made it to Casey's house, TIG Welding Creations. What up? We got the tomei off. So far, just the mid pipe and the muffler section. We're gonna be fixing the hole as I talked to you about earlier. Yeah, he's right there. He likes holes. We're also gonna fix, as you can see, I scraped this off. So we're gonna adjust them. So as you can see, it was scraping flat right here. So we're gonna adjust them a little off to the side so that way they don't scrape off again. All right, this is the shop we're working with. This is where all the magic happens. Magic. Oh my God! Wow! I'm gonna be coming back here in a couple days. We're gonna be doing something special, so you guys stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, like I said, we're just gonna fix the tomei.
It's a big hole.
It is.
So what we do, just to do a patch job, on something like this, we really can't just replace the muffler. I mean, if you want to, but it's gonna be expensive. So I'll kind of pull this out, almost like a paintless dent repair guy, and then we'll cut this, because it already has a curve, and then it'll follow the contour of that, and it'll be a good patch job.
A little challenging to pull it out, but get it enough where we can play with it a little bit. Match the roundness. The main plan was to actually put my new headlights on while he does my tomei. I tried to meet up with someone to get some headlights so I can take out the internals, but he ended up not having the internal piece that I needed. Also, this is Casey's G37, just like mine, except in gray. He has a really cool carbon fiber hood. I just got the regular Vis Racing carbon hood, which also looks sick as hell. But this is just like, well, we got the welds all fixed up. Looking real good. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try to like burn over this to see if we can get the blue, the cover, so that way it's blended in a little better. All polished, gonna reburn it, kind of blend it in more. We're gonna wipe it down with acetone.
People are like, oh, you just use that flame? No, we use this flame.
Oh my God! Let it burn! I believe we're done now. A little bit of my bumper burnt off on the tip, but kind of got a little bit of it off. All right, I just got home. We got a little bit of rain, but luckily, SCR Pro hooked us up with some bulbs and ballast. They came in a little pack, and we're gonna put them in the headlights. My original plan was to go grab some headlights off of a Parts G, but unfortunately that didn't really work out. But here we have the Spec-D sequential headlights for my G37. I can't wait to get these put on. They do not have the bulbs or the ballast like I believe I mentioned before. So to do the headlights, we're gonna take off the front bumper and pop the hood as well. I believe there's a bolt right here by the fender, and then there's one on that side, and then there's a couple clips, and the bumper should come off pretty easy. 4 or 5, I can't remember, 10mm bolts that hold the headlights together. And once we get those, we can unplug them from the back. Does your car shoot flames? Do you want to change the color of your flames? If the answer to both of those questions are yes, I got something for you. Dragon's Breath is a paste that you line in your exhaust tip, and it will change the color of your flames from blue to red to green to pink. So many colors, so many options to choose from. To get yours today, use my link down in the description, and also use my code above_Hunter for 10% off your order at checkout. So unlike the G35 sequential Spec-D headlights, the clamp for the bulb, which is right here, actually comes with the headlight, which is nice. You literally just need the bulbs and the ballast, which is cool. I believe we have to unscrew this cover right here, which seems to be 2 Phillips head screwdriver screws. And we can take this cover off, and then we can screw in the ballast and plug this bad boy into the ballast, and then plug this bad boy into the outside of the ballast. And then once we have the bulb put in on this side, we can take this bigger plug, and I believe that's what plugs into the actual car. I hope that made sense. We have to take off the current ones. I already got the bumper off. Like I said, it was just a couple bolts and a couple clips, and it slid right off. I don't think my intakes are supposed to be like that. We'll worry about that later, but I want to see the headlights. I've test fitted the headlights. Well, not really. I still have to bolt them in. I hadn't really lined up everything quite yet. I just kind of set them in and plugged them in to make sure they work. As you can see, the low beams are working. The DRLs are also working. They're lit up. And whenever I get the other one in and my bumper back on, I'll back the car into the garage and close it so you can see like the little sequential animation that it does, because it's pretty cool. I don't know why. It is so hot outside. All right, I officially have both of the headlights on the G37 now, and all we got to do is put the bumper back on, close the hood, and we can take a look at how cool these things look. I closed the garage. Let's check these out. These lights look so cool. Oh my God, that looks so much better than the GTR style. I feel like everyone started getting those, so I was like, I want to get some different. I'm not sure if y'all noticed when I did my blinkers and hazards, it did start speeding, which usually means there's like a bulb out. So I got to get that checked out. Something's wrong with the headlights on the sequentials for the turn signals. But as of now, they're awesome. At least the blinkers work. That's what I'm more concerned about, is if they actually work or not. The brights work as well. I love this little animation that they do. Like, this is so cool. Overall experience on these Spec-D headlights, they are brand new, so I'm not expecting them to be super perfect. Like I said, the blinker doesn't work. So I'm gonna say 7.5 out of 10, because I have to go out of my way and get the blinker fixed, whatever's wrong with it. It's not a bulb issue, it's an LED strip issue. Something wrong with the LED strips inside of the Spec-D headlights. I hope you enjoyed today's video on the Tomei fix and the new Spec-D headlights for the G37. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like down below. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, above_Hunter. I try to post daily content on my G37 there. And also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a future upload. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.